All right, so we're gonna check in this building. Just to remind you, we're talking about this building here with 1, 2, 3. I'm missing one. It's probably this one here. Okay, this is another unit. This is a 1-1. 5 residential units, 3 3 offices downstairs. This is the view, by the way. This is the view. So it's pretty nice homes. I want to talk about the inside for a second. So the builders building this already had unit, I guess unit A, whatever you want to call it, pre-leased. So they're waiting for the building to be completed, but they're already leased out. Those units are empty or not leased. Let's talk about the leasing. So this is a financial organization, financial institution, and they already spec'd out how they want him to prep the units. So it's set up in this way with 2 large offices. You can see that, pretty large. Okay, pretty big, I would say, conference room. Very nice. They have a service room over here. I guess a service room probably. Maybe a small bath or over here. I'm not sure completely. It's a bit dark. Probably bathroom over here. So here's the restrooms over here. Whatever, storage, service room, 2 offices, and the conference. Now, let's talk about that for a second. What's common practice is when a tenant comes in to the commercial units, it's their responsibility to finish it out. Meaning, let's assume you own the building and the downstairs unit is vacant, and it's actually not even partitioned. A tenant comes in and says, I want to rent this unit. It will be their responsibility to permit it, to plan it, to build it. And that's considered a little bonus to the owner, because when they leave, the owner has a fully functioning office that he did not pay for. So that will be a benefit for you. In most cases, remember, there's always exception to the rule. So in this case, I don't know exactly what was the agreement done. And remember, this is something that was done pre-lease a while before the building is even completed. So I'm sure there's some perks they were giving here, but this is an example of how the speccing out or taking care of the commercial space is. Let's just check another space, and you can see, okay, so we are basically, so the unit number 1 is there, and this is unit 2 and 3, pretty big, right? So probably a wall is coming around here somewhere that will be dividing those 2 units. And you can already see whatever code is requiring for water pressure. I don't know the details exactly, windows. So when these guys are done, I believe there's going to be 1 wall over here, probably. Maybe he may leave it open just so he has the flexibility to do 1 larger unit, 1 smaller unit. Maybe someone wants a big unit of both of those. And a commercial space that will be leased out, and common practices for the tenant to finish out the space. So we have a building with 3 commercial units and 5 residential units upstairs.